Small businesses, the heart of our economy, face a daily struggle. Every day they open their doors with hope and determination, striving to make a difference in their communities. It's a jungle out there, especially online. The digital world is vast and ever-changing, making it difficult for small businesses to navigate. Big companies have big budgets for marketing. They can afford to hire entire teams dedicated to promoting their brand and reaching new customers. Fancy websites, flashy ads, they've got it all. Their resources allow them to create eye-catching campaigns that dominate the digital space. But what about the local shops, the startups, the dreamers? These are the people who pour their hearts into their work, often with limited resources. They deserve a fighting chance. They deserve to be seen and heard, to compete on a level playing field. Digital marketing is tough, expensive, and time-consuming. Many small business owners find themselves overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks required to maintain an online presence. It's hard to know where to start, let alone keep up with the latest trends. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and staying updated can feel like a full-time job. Small business owners are passionate about what they do, but they didn't sign up to be tech wizards or marketing gurus. They want to focus on their craft, their customers, and their community. They need help, and that's where Onpassive comes in. Onpassive offers the tools and support small businesses need to thrive in the digital world, leveling the playing field and giving them the chance to succeed. But before we get started, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Onpassive is a game changer. It's like having a team of marketing experts on call 24/7, but without the hefty price tag. Imagine artificial intelligence, real brain power, working for you. That's Onpassive. It's AI designed specifically for small businesses, making the power of technology accessible to everyone. No more drowning in data, no more guessing games. Onpassive takes the complexity out of digital marketing, giving you the tools and insights to succeed. Let's talk about the tools, the cool gadgets in Onpassive's arsenal. First up, AI-powered chatbots. These aren't just any chatbots, they're designed to understand and respond to customer queries with incredible accuracy and speed. Imagine having a virtual assistant that never sleeps, always ready to help your customers. These little guys are like having a friendly salesperson available 24/7. They can handle multiple customer interactions simultaneously, ensuring no one is left waiting. They answer questions, offer support, even make personalized recommendations. Whether it's guiding a customer through a purchase or troubleshooting an issue, these chatbots are on it. It's customer service on autopilot. No more long wait times or frustrated customers. Everything is handled smoothly and efficiently. Then there's the data analysis. This isn't just about collecting data, it's about making sense of it. Onpassive's tools dig deep into the data to uncover patterns and trends that you might miss. Onpassive sifts through mountains of information to give you real insights. Who are your customers? What do they want? What are their buying habits? These insights are crucial for making informed business decisions. Onpassive tells you, so you can target your marketing effectively. Imagine knowing exactly what your customers are looking for and being able to deliver it to them. And don't forget about predictive analysis. This tool looks at past data to predict future trends, helping you stay ahead of the curve. This is like having a crystal ball. You can foresee market changes and adjust your strategies accordingly. Onpassive spots trends and opportunities before they happen, giving you a competitive edge. With these tools, you're not just keeping up with the competition, you're staying ahead of them. Section 4. Winning with Onpassive. You will receive real results. In this section, we dive deep into some real-life success stories of businesses that have potentially harnessed the power of Onpassive to achieve remarkable results. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to the experiences of those who will see their businesses flourish. Businesses will soon be winning with Onpassive. From increased sales to enhanced customer engagement, the results will speak for themselves. Take a local bakery that may use Onpassive's email marketing tool to send out personalized offers. the sales will skyrocket, and they will see a significant increase in repeat customers. Or the small clothing boutique that may use Onpassive's social media tools to connect with new customers. The online presence will explode, leading to a surge in both online and in-store traffic. These are just a few examples of how Onpassive will be transforming small businesses. By leveraging advanced AI tools, these businesses are not only surviving, but will thrive in a competitive market. Join the growing community of successful entrepreneurs who have discovered the Onpassive advantage. Section 5. Don't just compete, dominate. Join the Onpassive revolution. The future of marketing is here, and it's powered by AI. Onpassive is leading the charge, empowering small businesses to not just compete, but to dominate. So, what are you waiting for? Join the Onpassive revolution and unlock the power of AI for your business. Don't get left behind. The future is now. For more information about Onpassive and making money while online, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.